I read somewhere that the Nazis had, it shocked me when I read about it, had some kind of simple metal object like to crack the nuts, made industrially for concentration camps as a special form of torture.
No way.
To crack. Yeah. Isn't this horrible? Okay. Then I wanted to check this, so that I will not be accused of invent. So I went to Google and put on ball crashers crashing testicles. And you know what I got? Some 10 sites today for masochists. They are industrially produced. They cost very nicely $200 to $300.
I hope you didn't test them.
You know. No. But you put your testicles in, and then you can regulate how much your balls are squeezed. Then you have on the side holes for needles if you want to torture yourself more. This is, I think, the world we live in. That what half a century ago, a little bit more, was a terrifying object of torture. Now you can buy it, it's advertised, and we live in a world where you can do that consensually, but you cannot call somebody a wrong name. That you are suspended. No, we live in a crazy world.